If YouTube has not been recommending your video, turn on this feature now. If you'll be posting video constantly on YouTube channel and your video is not being recommended by YouTube to your audience or to other people to view, it means you miss out on these particular feature settings I want to give to you in this video. So that is why you need to watch this video to the end. If you are stuck at a particular number of views on your channel, don't give up. Go right away. After you watch this video to the end, go on and turn on these features. This is amazing features. I turned on these features on one of my faceless channel. This channel, the result was amazing. Not only on that, on this channel as well, the result was amazing. So I have decided to share with you guys this particular feature that I turned on these two channels that bring them to limelight. It is not too late. If you are watching this video right away and you want to grow on YouTube, don't give up. Do what I asked you to do right away in this video. Hi guys, welcome to today's video on this channel. I am Adiola. On this channel guys, we give you tips on how to grow your YouTube channel, how to get viewers and subscribers. So if that is what you want to learn in this video guys, today sit back, watch this video to the end. Do not skip, because if you do, you might miss the particular point your channel needs right away. If I had known before on this particular channel, I would have turned it on years back when I neglected this channel. But guys, I have learned from my previous lesson. That is why I'm here to share with you guys all my lessons I've learned over the years on YouTube channels. So let's move on. This particular thing can be carried out on your mobile device, but as usual, I will encourage you guys, you make use of the web version of YouTube Studio on your mobile device. You can use Google Chrome browser, you can use Opera, you can as well use Safari. So any browser of your choice is good to go. So for the sake of this video, I will use my laptop, but if you want to use your mobile phone, I will just guide you on how to access this page on your mobile phone. Then I will now switch to laptop for better clarity. So on your mobile phone, go to any browser of your choice and open it. So for the sake of this video, I will use Opera. As I've mentioned, you can use any browsers that pleases you. Now in the search bar, Google search button, type in studio.youtube.com, then hit the go button. So guys, while waiting for this page to load up on my phone for better clarity, if you are new to this channel and you've not subscribed, please do subscribe, toggle on the bell notification and select all so that you're notified when we drop another important update on this channel. So now all you have to do guys is to come over and tap on customization. So now that you've logged into your mobile device, you see what you see on the screen. Now let me zoom out so that we see the customization button very well. So let me tap on this button. Now you can see now it comes out. Go ahead and tap on customization. Once you tap on customization button, then just wait for this page to load up on your mobile device. Now it has come up on your mobile device. Go ahead and tap on Home tab. Once you tap on Home tab, then here is what you are to do. So this is what I did on this channel that skyrocketed this channel, and I want to guide you to do the same thing on your own channel. So now from here, I will switch to my laptop so that we all see it clearly without stressing our eyes. So on your laptop again, come to the search section or Google Chrome store or any store, search for studio.youtube.com. Then it should comes out like this. Then click on the first one, studio, that is YouTube Studio. Click on the first one. Once you click on the first one, it comes up like this. You have your dashboard. Then scroll down and click on customization as I've just explained using the mobile device. Now, once you click on customization, you have two options here. You have the profile, you have the home tab. Click on the home tab. Once you click on the home tab, I will be explaining to you what I mean on each of these settings. as well going to watch it live on the channel on another browser. Now let's take a look at the first thing here, guys. Here, when you click on this button, you see the home tab. Show your channel home tab to highlight and showcase content for your audience. Now here, this button must toggle on. Now the first one here is, you see this button that says add section. If you have not done anything here, go ahead and click on that add section. Once you click on the add section, you have access to this information. The first one is channel trailer. The second one is spotlight for returning subscribers. Then you have for you feed, or for you video, popular, short videos, live, past live stream, upcoming live stream, single playlist, created playlist, multiple playlist, subscription, and feature channel. If you take a look at what you see on the screen here, some are in gray color. Those are the settings have turned on. The first thing you have to do here, guys, is to click on the channel trailer. Once you click on the channel trailer, this is what you see on the screen. Here, my own channel trailer is this video that says YouTube not pushing your video. Turn on these secret settings in YouTube Studio. Now, let me explain how this works using the same channel on another browser. So let me open it in another browser. Maybe you come to my channel like this, and once you click on the channel name, so you have access to what you see on the screen. You have the banner, the logo. Then if you scroll down a bit, now you see this particular video, YouTube not pushing your video. You can see it here, guys. Now, once you go, this is what a lot of people
and turn on these particular settings.
So once you access that channel, you see this video playing. It's a very good means, very good ways for YouTube to push your content to more audience. Because as soon as they landed on your channel, this video will start playing. I will encourage you guys, or recommend that you use your best performing videos. Yes, you had it clearly. Don't say I don't have a video that is up to 1,000 watch views, 2,000 watch view, 100,000 watch view, 200,000 watch view. Doesn't matter. Even if you have just 2 videos, one of the videos is performing very well, at least it has some views. Add that video to this place. Do you know the job of this is that you can always change this at any time. That is the one of the reason I love this particular feature on YouTube Studio. You can change this at any time. Now to do that, just click on these 3 dots. You see change or remove. Just click on change. Once you click on change like this, takes you back to this place. Then pick any of the video you want to add again. Then that's all, guys. You've been able to add that. The next thing I would like to do here, guys, is for you. Guys, you cannot do without for you on social media. For you is what the social media platform uses to push content to viewers. For you is available on YouTube. For you is available on TikTok. For you is available on Instagram. It's available on almost all social media platforms. So if you do not turn, or if you do not enable for you on your YouTube channel, you will not get more views. So let's see what is here under for you. YouTube recommends fresh content based on your viewer interest. This is only visible to your viewers when you have enough content. That is why you need to post as many possible as video, as many you can post on your YouTube channel. Don't give up. Post as many as you can on your YouTube channel. Always post content. Now let's click on setting and have more of this setting. This is what you see on for you. Now let me go to that my channel again from here. Now you can see here, you see for you here. These are the videos I've just posted on for you. If you click on this arrow, you see it brings you more videos. And if this feature is not enabled on my channel, this for you will not come up here. This video will not pop up here. That is why you need to enable this feature on your channel. Not only that, there are some important things you have to take note here. Videos, shorts, live stream. These are very good things. Now let me come over to this place again. Here are the for you. Then here you take a look at it. You have the videos here. You see I have the videos here. Then here are the shorts I have here. You can see. So this will publish or will make your video more go and will make your content to go viral on YouTube channel if you've had enabled this setting earlier on. But if you have not, then it's not too late. You can still go ahead and enable this feature. Then if you scroll down a bit to this platform, is this you have recency. This is where a lot of YouTubers get it wrong. Recency, we have two options here: all content recommended, then recent content only. Let's see what all this all about. The first one I will talk here is recent content. Content you've posted in the last 12 months. Yes, 12 months is big, is huge. But what of if something happened, life challenges comes in, you are unable to post regularly for few months? What will happen? Your channel will keep going down. So that is why it is always encouraging or advisable to use all content, then click on done. Once you click on done, don't forget to click on publish. Now that I've clicked on publish, the next thing I would like you to do is to come over to this place, add content, then go and click on spotlight for returning subscribers. Let me remove this one from here so that you see what I am explaining. Now go and click on it again. Click on spotlight. Once you click on spotlight, this is what you want your returning subscribers to easily access, and that is why I made this particular video for you guys. Go and watch why you must not quit anything you do in life, most especially when you are a YouTuber. So I want to put this video here. You see that you must keep posting on YouTube even when no one is watching you. Yes, you need to keep posting even when no one is watching you. Now that I do all this, then you're going to have access to this as a returning subscriber. When you visit that page, then it comes up, you have access to it as soon as possible. Guys, if I had known before, I will turn on these particular features on my video on my channel so that YouTube will push my content to more audience. You know, on YouTube, the more engagement your video content has, the more benefit it becomes. The more view you have on YouTube, the more subscriber you will get. That is the fact of it. But guys, YouTube has changed. You have to put in the hard work before you get the real catch. So these are what I want to explain to you guys in this video. If you enjoy what I've explained in this video and you've not subscribed yet, guys, please just take few seconds, 1 second of your time, tap on that subscription button, like this video, help me share this video for others so that they will go ahead and turn on or enable this feature on their channel and they will go viral. See you soon, guys, on my next video.